Hi everyone, it's Circus Baby Gaming here. Today we're going to play Fly Escape 2. And this is part 2. And I actually hurt my head. And I'm crying a little bit. Because this game's not working for a while. Why is Guess the Builders Club? What the? Did Guess changed into the Builders Club? That makes no sense. As you can see, why is my name Foxy Foxy? Because my old account got hacked. I don't know how, but yeah. Are you kidding me, guest? Let's go and spectate another people like this guest. Excuse me, why on the floor and useful? What are you doing? Okay. Are you stuck? Are you really stuck? Okay, I just saw a tsunami, just wonder. I don't know how did I get there, but let's go. Where is the... Oh, it's gonna come from here. Get me up. Okay. Press the button. I said press the button. Oh, it was coming from here. Okay. Okay, jump. No! No! Okay, there we go. I wish I can climb underwater because that would be amazing. Like, a what? Why do I have 101? That's like too messed up. Let's go! That acid is coming for me. Quick, 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 quick! Make it quick! I'm so dead! Ah! No! 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 They're not gonna kill me. Actually, it is because it's rising so fast! No! You're not killing me this time. You think you can kill me like that, huh? Wait. Oh no, people are already dying. Oh no, I'm the only one who survived. But a lot of people respawned. Okay, guys. Wait, what? Okay, 2% only. So I'm afraid that I have to end the video right here. I hope you like this video. Actually, you know what? Just subscribe to the video and smash that like button and leave a comment. And then I'll reply, okay? So I hope you like this video. Leave a good thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone. And I'm gonna die!